Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide your phone number or caller ID on iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Phone. Next, go down to the Calls section and tap on Show My Caller ID. And at the top here, tap on Show My Caller ID to turn it off or turn it on. If you turn this on, when you call someone, they will be able to see your phone number. And if you switch it off, then when you call somebody, your number will come up as private. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings screen, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.